So I just saved a baby bird. Okay, hey guys, I just saved a baby bird. So we're gonna go check out the bird and see if it's like okay and record it. Gonna be quiet, so I'm not really gonna talk for it. So let's go check out the bird. Okay. So we saved the bird over there at the fence. We put it in the box.
Okay, I need a cardboard box right now.
Okay. Right here, let's go find a cardboard box. It's weird. Yeah.
Okay, so I have a...
Okay, I'll check. What is this good, Kinsey?
Pour that all out.
Gotta pour out some toys and stuff. I'll get it. Is this good, Mother?
Super soft cotton one.
Is this good?
It needs to be whiter.
Okay, let's go, Kinsey.
You guys need to wash your hands after touching the bird.
Okay, we will. Okay, guys. Mother, do you want me to like rip this into a flat piece and then we can put it?
Not right now. I need a cardboard box.
Cardboard box.
Go
Here.
downstairs to the basement.
Here.
Close that door.
Can I take stuff out of this and?
No.
No, it's not. Okay, I'll be right. Oh, I'm gonna record it.
Is Spencer okay?
Yes.
He's not upset?
He's not upset. He's no.
Just tell him Mommy used to do this for a living.
It's not.
He's supposed to be warm.
I know.
Alright, put the worms somewhere in mud or moist. Well,
Yeah.
he's too young to be eating that, so now we have to...
Mush it up.
They have stuff at pet stores that you give baby birds. Because
wake
you know
up.
how baby birds eat? Yeah. Huh.
What is that hole? Is that his ear?
Yeah.
His beak is so like colorful, sort of.
Yeah, because it's a baby. Mother, this
And
was the
its
one that was
body's
laying
really
in the street
weird.
yesterday.
Its body's like really dirty and stuff.
That's okay. You guys...
I saved it. I like got it from the fence and stuff. Okay, so
I need some duct tape.
duct tape. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm getting duct tape for the bird, so we can like I don't know for the box and stuff. Okay, be back in a minute. Bosco, get. Here you go.
Yeah, keep them covered up.
Like keep.
Their moms sit on them. Don't push on them.
Don't push
He
on.
probably broke something on the way down.
Yeah, I
Baby
said he
birds
probably
are sat
fell.
on.
I said he probably fell. That's why because he was like laying on his back, like kicking his legs.
Either that or a cat might have got him, another bird.
No cat got it. It would have been dead if a
But
cat got
because
it.
we've touched him, the mom isn't going to want anything to do with him now.
Oh yeah.
Unless that is a wives' tale.
I see it. I see it.
It's
breathing
one
right
of those gray birds.
now. It's a seagull, I think. No, it's
No.
not a seagull. It's
Just said a seagull.